Now in good morning students. Now in previous video we discussed how to find out distance between 2 points. Now by using this we can find out distance formula. Okay. For this let us consider x-axis and y-axis. This point we write here x1, x2. Okay. This is y1, y2. Now we have to find out distance between 2 points, that is A, B. If we draw here point A, point B. Now here we have to calculate distance between AB, which is not parallel to x-axis and not parallel to y-axis. Now for this, first find out the coordinate of A. Coordinate of A are x1, y1. So we write here x1, y1. Coordinate of B are x2, y2. x2, y2. For writing the coordinate, first only write the coordinate on x-axis and then y-axis. Now first draw a parallel line to x-axis from point A. So we draw here parallel line which is passing here, which is parallel to x-axis. Also parallel line which is for y-axis. This is point, suppose C. Okay. Now here this point C, the coordinate of point C are x2, y1. x2, y1. Now here if we have to find out distance between AC, this AC is parallel to x-axis. So this y coordinate is constant, that is y1 minus y1 is 0. So we consider only x-axis, that is x2 minus x1. Distance AC. For this, if we write here distance AC, we have to find out distance AC. Distance AC is here y1 is constant, that is y1 minus y1 is 0. Y coordinate is constant, so we write here x2 minus x1. So we write here x2 minus x1. Okay. Now for this BC, distance BC. For distance BC is parallel to BC. This BC is parallel to y-axis. Here this x coordinate is constant, that is x2 is constant. x2 minus x2 is 0. So we consider only this y coordinate, that is y2 minus y1. That is distance BC is equal to y2 minus y1. So we write here distance BC is equal to y2 minus y1. Okay. For any parallel lines which is parallel to x-axis or which is parallel to y-axis, we have find out any distance. If this is parallel to this way in this manner or in this manner, this is parallel to this, then at that time we can find out the distance between these 2 points. Okay. But for this which is not parallel, for this we draw this parallel line. Now triangle is formed ABC. Now in triangle ABC, angle C is 90. Angle C 90. Here angle C is 90. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, you know Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? This AB square, hypotenuse is AB. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Okay. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now put all the values. What is the distance AC? AB square. AB square is equal to, what is the distance AC? Distance AC, this is distance AC, x2 minus x1. So we write here x2 minus x1 bracket square plus BC is y2 minus y1. So we write here y2 minus y1 bracket square. Okay. So distance AB, we have to find out distance AB. Distance AB is equal to under root in bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. and this is our distance formula. This is distance formula. If x and y coordinates are given for point A, for point B, for point A coordinate are x1, y1, b, x2, y2, then distance AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, and this is our distance formula. By using this formula we can calculate distance between 2 points when the coordinates of 2 points are given. Then we can find out distance between 2 points.